Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. Many Android users install Google Photos but notice that their phone still opens the old Gallery app when viewing photos. This can be confusing and prevents you from enjoying all the features of Google Photos. In this video, I will show you exactly how to set Google Photos as your default Gallery app. First, open your phone settings. In the search bar at the top, type Default Apps. Now tap on Default Apps from the search results. Here, look for the option that says Gallery. Tap on Gallery. You will see a list of apps that can be used as your Gallery app. Select Google Photos from the list. Now Google Photos is set as your default Gallery app. Whenever you open a photo or video, it will automatically open in Google Photos instead of the old Gallery. This also ensures that features like automatic backup, smart organization, and sharing are always available. And that is how you set Google Photos as your default Gallery app on Android. If this video helped you, like the video. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more Android tips, tricks, and tutorials.